Growth hacking basics. What is growth hacking? Growth hacking is a strategy focused on rapid and scalable growth. It combines marketing data analysis, product optimization. The goal is simple: grow fast with minimal cost. The core mindset: growth hackers don't rely on assumptions. They test quickly, measure results, optimize continuously. Everything is driven by data. The growth funnel. Growth hacking focuses on key stages: acquisition, getting users, activation, first meaningful experience, retention, keeping users engaged, revenue, monetization, referral, users, bringing more users. Experimentation is key. Run small experiments like landing page changes, email campaigns, pricing tests, feature tweaks. Keep what works, drop what doesn't. Tools and automation. Growth teams use tools like Google Analytics and HubSpot to track and optimize performance. Automation helps scale successful strategies. Why IT works? It focuses on speed, data-driven decisions, continuous improvement instead of long, slow campaigns. The real value. Growth hacking is not just marketing. It's about improving the entire user journey to drive sustainable growth. The future in a competitive digital world: companies that experiment faster and learn quicker will grow the fastest.